My name's Adam, this is JJ and this is Curtis, and we're all level 2 students from West London College. Our entry for the Nestle Toque competition is a braised pork cheek with a cider-glazed, served with Celeriac puree, griddled leeks and Parisian apples. We chose pork cheeks because pork grows very quickly compared to lamb, sheep and cattle. They produce 20 to 30 offspring a year and they eat a lot less compared to other animals.
We use British red apples because they're good this year. We like to use red one because it shows a nice colour on the plate. We also use sage because it's a good flavour and good seasoning. They also in season. These are all British and traditional to pork. We also use baby leeks because we thought it'd be nice to put the griddle mark on it and present it nice on the plate.
We use a Celeriac puree. We chose Celeriac because it's in season, it's healthy, no starch, no anything. The flavor is good, the smell is even better. We're using Meadia for our sauce, as traditional Swiss Meadia, the onion, carrot and celery. So we arranged a team for Nestle Toque because it was really serious competition. And as of last year we were level 1, so we couldn't join it, and here it's really fun, really challenging, so we wanted to join it.
I've heard how much fun the Nestle Toque can be and I was looking for a new challenge.
I want to do Nestle competition because I like knowing when people eat food, they eat good food, not just food you buy anywhere. It's unique to what you cook.